Okay, guys, so today we are gonna do the perfect margarita. We have our ingredients over here. So we're gonna start with, of course, the lemon, because you're gonna need a lot of lemon for your margaritas. You're gonna have triple sec, some sugar syrup, and of course your tequila, because margarita without tequila, what is it, right? So you're gonna need that. So yeah, and we used tequila Jose Cuervo, which is pretty good. And then we just bought the new Ninja blender, and I gotta say, I love it for juicing, for any frozen drinks, for anything like that. It's so cool, and it has like the ice crush feature, which gets your margaritas in the best shape ever. So just put it out here. So first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna put all the ice you're gonna need for your frozen margaritas. If you don't want it to do frozen, then just ignore the whole part. And then you're going to do 1 part of sugar syrup, and then 1 part of tequila, 1 part of triple sec, that is triple sec. You're going to do 1 part of lemon too. And yeah, just mix it all in the blender. Now, if you want to do a little bit more of tequila, you can do that. I would advise against it, because to be honest, this thing just turns out like a lemonade. So you probably get drunk really fast. So let's move here, the angel, and now we're gonna make it sound. Let's make it work. So in our Ninja blender, we're just gonna turn it on, and then since it has the auto IQ, you're just gonna select the ice crush feature, and it will automatically go on to make the perfect margarita. Guys, I'm so excited. I definitely want to try this. And if you see, it stops for a bit, and then it goes on to make sure it actually crushes the ice uniformly, so you're not gonna get the big chunks of ice. You're definitely gonna get the good margarita frozen, like it's Slurpee kind of style. And here you go, perfect margarita, guys. Super easy, super simple. Just sign up and subscribe if you want to see more recipes, and tell me, what do you want to do now?